Welcome to Ricky's Gourmet Cakes. I'm Rikki, and this is my husband, Darren.
Thank you, sweetheart. What's up, good people?
And we are the Campbells. Ricky's Gourmet Cakes is part of a bigger vision that my husband and I created entitled Elite Events and Entertainment, a one-stop shop for all your celebratory needs. Elite Events and Entertainment specializes in event planning, decorating, centerpieces, linen rental, and lighted columns. In addition, we provide mobile DJ services and karaoke services, photography, and videography with multi-camera live streaming capabilities. Ricky's Gourmet Cakes is a licensed home-based business that offers delicious and decadent cakes for all occasions. We have been servicing the community for over 30 years. You are the most important part of Ricky's Gourmet Cakes. Without you, there is no us. That's why our goal is to provide you with a cake that represents your unique personality and style, creating a phenomenal made-to-order cake with all fresh ingredients. A cake that you and your guests will find remarkable. I pride myself on taking time to consult with my clients through all means of communication, to discuss the vision of their perfect cake and set standards for making their dreams a reality. Before and during the pandemic, our main concern at Ricky's Gourmet Cakes has been safety. All cakes are made with mandated food service precautions of wearing gloves and a mask while handling all ingredients. Food safety has always been our number one priority. Ricky's Gourmet Cakes runs monthly specials. For example, the cake flavor of the month, themed cakes based on the holidays like Valentine's Day or Easter. And lastly, we have pop-up specials for notable events. We specialize in, but are not limited to, weddings, dessert cakes, dessert and candy tables, showers, birthdays, sculpted cakes, cupcakes, cake pops, themed cakes, and cakes for all occasions.
Please visit us on Facebook at Ricky's Gourmet Cakes, as well as Instagram at Ricky's Gourmet Cakes. Also check out our website at rickysgourmetcakes.com. To place an order or schedule a consultation, call or text 313-244-3504. Contact us within 30 days and receive 2 of the following offers: a free anniversary cake, 20% off dessert cakes, 15% off occasion cakes, and 10% off wedding cakes. For more information on elite events and entertainment and any of the individual services we provide, please contact us through the business cards displayed on your screen. Thank you for considering elite events and entertainment. We hope to hear from you soon and look forward to taking your expectations to the next level.